us talk about how to solve for another coordinate given yung horizontal distance at saka yung isang point. So, gagamitin natin yung horizontal distance formula, which is the absolute value of x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Ngayon, yung 6 units from 3, negative 2, ito yung distance niya, yung 6 units na to. So, let us plot this first para mas ma-visualize ninyo kung ano yung gagawin natin, no? So, ito yung 3, negative 2, 3, negative 2. Okay, so ito siya. 3, negative 2. So, ngayon, 6 units, pwedeng dito, pwedeng dito. Okay, so ibig sabihin, dalawa yung possible answers natin. Since absolute value, hindi natin alam kung ano yung direction niya, kung to the left ba or to the right. So, kukunin natin horizontal, ito yun, no? Since horizontal distance yan, ibig sabihin, yung y niya is still the same. Okay, so negative 2 yung magiging y ng isang point. So, ito lang yung tandaan natin, ha? So, balik tayo dun sa formula ng horizontal distance. D is equal to the absolute value of x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Pero mamaya, pagpapalitin ko to para mamaya mas madali na yung x sub 2 ang makukuha natin, no? Pero, still, the same, pareho lang din yan. Okay, so yung absolute value, pagbabalik na rin ko, ha, yung D, dalagay ko dito sa right side of the equation. Okay, so absolute value of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 is equal to D. Remember, pareho lang yan, ha? Pareho lang. Okay, so x sub 2 natin, hindi natin alam, kasi ito lang yung given na point, yun yung hanapin natin. Minus, ito yung x sub 1 natin. Isang point lang eh. Okay, y sub 1. So, x sub 2 minus x sub 1 natin, which is 3, is equal to the unit, the distance, which is 6, the horizontal distance. So, x sub 2 minus 3 is equal to 6. X sub 2 is equal to, okay, algebra, 6 plus 3. Therefore, ang x sub 2 natin is 9. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, ang ordered pair nito is, ang x natin is 9. And, since horizontal yan, ang y natin is negative 2. Ma'am, saan ang galing? Kasi nga, pag horizontal distance, ibig sabihin, pareho sila ng y coordinates. Now, ito yung sinasabi ko. Pag kung positive kasi yan, ibig sabihin to the right. Pero possible din kasi na papunta dito yung isang point. So, solve natin yon. So, instead of positive 6, meaning to the right yon, gawin natin negative 6 na pwede rin naman dito sa, papunta sa left side. So, x sub 2 minus x sub 1 is equal to D, x sub 2 minus, same pa rin, which is 3, is equal to 6 units pa din, pero since to the left ang pag-uusapan natin, hanapin natin kung ano yung another point niya. Pag papunta dito yung line, yung point, negative 6 ang gawin natin. Make it negative, yung distance. And then, x sub 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 6, and then algebra ulit, x sub 2 is equal to negative 6 plus 3, therefore, x sub 2 is equal to negative 3. Ayan. Therefore, yung isang point natin is negative 3, negative 2. Ayan. So, tingnan natin, no? Pagka dito yung isang point, 9, negative 2, this is 9, this is negative 2, ito yun. 9, negative 2. And kung i-count natin yan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units ang kanya magiging horizontal distance. Now, kung dito naman yung isa, 6 units pa din yan, negative 3, negative 2. This is negative 3 and then negative 2. Ito yung ating point. Negative 3, negative 2. Kung bibilangin natin to the left, 6 units pa din yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ito yung kanyang possible answers.